Nothing says St. Patrick's Day like corned beef and cabbage, and it's not a hard recipe to make. Mr. Food shows us how to do it in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
It's almost St. Patrick's Day, and that means we'll be celebrating in a big way. It also means we'll need a big meal to welcome it in style. So today, we're cooking up a classic hearty favorite that's Irish-inspired, yet actually has American roots. All we do is place a raw corned beef in a large soup pot, or we can use a Dutch oven, and cover it with some water. Just make sure you add the little package of pickling spice that comes with it, because it gives it a load of flavor. Okay, we let that simmer for a couple of hours. Meanwhile, we peel and cut a few potatoes into good-sized chunks. And to save time, which we always want to do, we add a package of baby carrots. This way we don't have to peel and cut them. And what's corned beef without cabbage? So we cut ahead into wedges and add it along with our veggies right on top of our almost tender meat. You see, adding our veggies now ensures that everything cooks up tender at the same time. We'll cover it and let it simmer till our veggies are cooked through and they absorb all that meaty flavor from the corned beef. And let me tell you, this smells amazing. And when we slice this tender as can be corned beef across the grain and serve it up with all those steaming hot veggies, just watch all your leprechauns come running right to the table. The recipe for our classic corned beef and cabbage is online now, just in time for St. Patty's Day, or really any day. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the look of the Irish way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's